我係一圖書真理，馬尼拉最出名嘅係七彩繽紛嘅花車，祝大家來年花開富貴，多謝。
青馬大橋係香港其中一個大型建築物，舉世知名。1號蕭珍妮話可以喺度遊車河飽覽香港風景，真係賞心樂事。不過奉勸各位免得過呢，就咪揸開篷車遊車河，如果唔係吹到披頭散髮呢，就嚇親街坊。
大家好，
你好。好啦，嘟姐，我用廣東話問，麻煩你喺耳邊用英文話俾佢聽啦，好冇？香港人一向都熱心公益，如果而家將青馬大橋咧封咗半日，俾你搞一個有特色嘅慈善活動，你會搞咩活動呢？
Okay, I'll speak in English, okay?
Yes.
If we are going to hold a charitable event in the Chingma Bridge, I will hold the charity and invite many people there, and then the money that we will earn in the said event will then be used to help the Hong Kong people, especially the poor people around Hong Kong, to improve their lives. Thank you. 多謝。
咁就係做一個咧慈善嘅項目咧，響青馬大橋。
一個有牙嘅坐姿，完全表現出雷神嗰鬼面態，而一刻嘅雷神係隨美人。
姑姐不如問
好啊，嗱，用粉紅色波嚟到投票。